morning, everyone. It's Ms. Amalia. As you can see, I'm in the library. We're in the library right now, just trying to get everything set up and ready for working hard for when we reopen. We don't have a date yet, but as soon as we know, we'll let you know. And I hope everyone's at home, safe and healthy, and we missed you terribly, but we know we'll see each other again soon. So this is our story time for today, and our story time is going to feature my friend here, the chicken. And you may remember her. Her name is Henrietta, and Henrietta has a couple songs and one book and our goodbye song. So as we begin, I have one bird song. Now, there's one bird and there's a second bird. There's two little birds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet, one named Loud. Fly away quiet, fly away loud. Come back quiet, come back loud. So want to do it with me? Oh, wonderful. Can I see your lands? Let's do one. Two little birds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet, one named Loud. Fly away loud. Come back loud. You were fantastic. Now, if you'd like, you can also change that up. So you can figure out a rhyme for like fast or slow or anything you think would be kind of funny. And as I mentioned, we are doing a book with a chicken in it called Interrupting Chicken. But before I begin, I think I have to explain kind of the funny part about Interrupting Chicken. There is a joke that the author learned when he was a kid that made him think of how to write this story. So I'm going to share the joke with you. It's a knock-knock joke. So my director is behind the camera right now, so if she could help me out with the knock-knock joke, I'll start it off. Are you ready?
Yes.
My director's name is Erin Chapman.
Hi.
Hi, Sage, if you're home. Home watching this, I should say. So, knock-knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting Chicken.
Interrupting chicken who?
That's it. Isn't that great? So keep that in mind as we're reading this story. This story is by David Ezra Stein with permission from Scholastic Publishing for letting us share this story. As you can see, this book is called Interrupting Chicken, right, Papa? Yes. Now don't interrupt the story. Can you make a really good chicken sound? Can I hear it? That's fantastic. Oh, so good. Ooh, look at that lovely house. I see a ball in the corner. It was bedtime for Little Red Chicken. I don't think Little Red Chicken's ready to go to bed yet, but were you ready to go to bed last night? I was not. I was too excited to be here this morning, actually. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you all ready to go to bed? Yes, Papa, but you forgot something. What's that? Asked Papa. A bedtime story. All right, said Papa. I'll read you one of your favorites. And of course, you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you? Oh, no, Papa. I will be good. Oh, he's all nestled. He's got a little bear there. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods, they found a house made of candy. Nibble, 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 nibble. They began to eat the house until the old woman who lived there came out and said, "What lovely children, why don't you come inside?" And they were just about to follow her when out jumped a little red chicken, and she said, "Don't go in, she's a witch." So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Well, that pretty much makes the story go by really quick, doesn't it? Chicken. Yes, Papa. You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved. I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing, so you can fall asleep. Let's try another story. It'll be good. Little Red Riding Hood. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, said Little Red Riding Hood's mother, but don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger. Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods, by and by, she met a wolf who wished her good morning. And she was about to answer him when, what do you think Interrupted Chicken's going to say? Oh no. Out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't talk to strangers," which is really good advice. So Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. Chicken. Yes, Papa. You did it again. You interrupted 2 stories and you're not even sleepy. I think the rooster's getting a little frustrated. I know, Papa. I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf. Yes. Now get back to bed. Okay, Papa. Let's try one more little story and I'll be good. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think Interrupting Chicken's going to be able to keep herself from interrupting? Oh, Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm that the sky was falling when... Are you ready? Oh no. Oh my goodness. Out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't panic, it's just an acorn." So Chicken Little didn't. The end. That was 3 stories. Chicken. Yes, Papa? You did it again. I can see that Papa's looking really tired. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please, one more story, and I promise I'll fall asleep. Have you ever done that? As for one more story, I have. But Chicken, said Papa, we are out of stories. Oh no, Papa, I can't go to sleep without a story. Haha, look at this. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her Papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him more milk, but nothing worked. He stayed wide awake all... Who's snoring? Do you think it's the chicken that's snoring or Papa? Let's find out. Oh my goodness. Papa! She must be a really good story writer. Good night, Papa. The end. You did a fantastic job listening. And did you like the part where she wrote her own story to help Papa fall asleep? Maybe you could write your own story too. You could even take it from a joke you learned. Kind of like how the author of this book did too. My friends, you did a fantastic job. So thank you for stopping by this morning and joining us in our story time. It was great to see you, and we hope to see you again soon. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day until we meet again. But first, oh my stars, I forgot our song that we use to say goodbye. Let's do Twinkle Twinkle with your beautiful hands high in the sky. Can you put them high in the sky, please? Wonderful. It goes like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Again, thanks everyone. Until we meet again, it's Miss Amalia from the Trenton Library. Bye-bye.